Hi guys, there are 10 spelling questions here today and you'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. Here we go. I can't stand fluorescent lights. Which one is the correct one? It was D. Let's move on. Question number 2. Richard lives on an island in the Caribbean. And the answer was C. Very good. Go on. Question number 3. Your smile is irresistible. What do you think? It was D. Question number 4. Was the first year of this millennium 2000 or 2001? Time is up. The answer was B. Question number 5. The rich are born with many privileges. What do you think about this one? The answer was A. Question number 6. Incidentally, do you know who got promoted? It was C. C was the correct answer. Question number 7. People without conscience don't care about the pain they cause. And the answer was C. Question number 8. Have you ever felt a moment of ecstasy? The answer was A. Very good. Let's keep it moving. Question number 9. The whole world was shocked by the president's assassination. And the correct spelling was B. And the last question. My best friend comes from the Philippines. And it was D. Fabulous. How many of these questions did you answer correctly? I hope you did perfect today. Share your score in comments and compete with others. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and recommend this to your friends.